In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to use JungleScout's product tracker to take your product research to the next level. If you're new to Amazon selling or trying to refine your product sourcing, the product tracker is a tool that'll help you make smarter, data-driven decisions. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up and start tracking products efficiently. Before we dive in, you can actually use JungleScout's product tracker completely free through the link below, along with some exclusive bonuses. Make sure to check it out. Now, let's talk about how JungleScout's product tracker works. It allows you to monitor your favorite products on Amazon so you can see how they're performing over time. This is key for understanding trends, tracking sales history, and ultimately determining if a product is worth selling or not. To start, you'll want to head over to the product tracker section in JungleScout. Once there, you can begin adding products to track. You can either search for products directly on JungleScout or pull them from Amazon using keywords that you're interested in. For example, let's say you want to see how a specific product is performing in a niche you're considering. You simply enter the keyword and JungleScout will provide a list of related products. Once you've found one that you want to track, you click Add to Tracker. After adding the product, you can monitor its performance with several key metrics like sales volume, price history, and reviews. This data is displayed in easy-to-read graphs that show you trends over time. One of the best things about the product tracker is that it updates frequently, so you're always seeing the most up-to-date data, which is crucial when you're evaluating whether or not to jump into a market. You can also set alerts on products. If you want to know when a product hits a specific sales threshold or changes in price, simply set your parameters and JungleScout will notify you. This feature helps you stay ahead of the game without constantly checking the tracker. Another feature I love is the ability to track multiple products at once. Instead of tracking them one by one, you can compare their performance side by side. This is perfect for when you're narrowing down which product has the most potential for profitability. Seeing these products laid out together makes it easier to spot trends and make informed decisions faster. But there's more. JungleScout's product tracker isn't just about tracking sales. It also helps you monitor the competition. You can see how competitors are pricing their products, how often they run promotions, and how their reviews are trending. This competitive intelligence is vital when you're deciding if you can compete in that niche and what strategies you might need to stand out. What makes this tool even more powerful is the combination with other features in JungleScout. When you track products, you're getting data that integrates seamlessly with the rest of the software, giving you a holistic view of the market. To wrap up, the product tracker is one of those tools that can make or break your Amazon business. With the ability to track product performance, set alerts, compare multiple listings, and gain insights into the competition, you'll have everything you need to make data-backed decisions and optimize your product sourcing strategy. Don't forget, you can get started using JungleScout's product tracker for free by clicking the link below and grabbing our exclusive extended trial. Take advantage of it now and give yourself the edge in your Amazon business. Thanks for watching and good luck with your product research.